left, right, left, back, left, right, sway, sway, step, left, right, left, right, left, right, sway, sway. If you're going right first, it looks like this. Left, right, left, back, left, right, sway, sway. Left, right, left, right, left, right, sway, sway. From here, you're going to wipe, 2, 3, 4, up, step together, step, touch, step together, step, touch to the step together, step, touch, step together, step, touch. You're gonna hit your pose. So you're either going to go towards far quad this way. Note the arm that's closest to the audience is down, and the one that's closest to the back is up. Relaxed hands, palms down. If you're on the other side, your left arm is down and your right arm is up. Natural, pointing out so you can see your shoelaces. Nice and tall. And then on the words Duloc, you're gonna walk to your new line. And the ladies all look swell. So depending on if you're on stage right side, your hands will be here. Your upstage arm comes up and down. The men are so dashing. If you're on stage left side, you're facing this way. The ladies all look swell. Left arm comes up and down, and the men are so dashing. So everything is on the outside. So if you're on the left side, it's over this way. If you're on the right side, it's over on this way. So we're here, and the dress code is bounce right, left, swap, so 2, 3. Boom, thanks to his new dress code, the fashion's never clashing. Okay. On Hey Nani Nani, we're walking to our straight line, front and back. The castle, you're gonna step open with the right, arm comes up natural and back in. Taller than the treetops. A city like a postcard with monorail and gift shops. And then part 1, who's on the left side, does the first and so, and it's left together. Arms come up and down. And so, and so, and so. If you're on the stage right side, you're the echo. And so, and so, and so, and so, and so. So after and so, no one from the gutter, you're walking back to your place. No one from the gutter in Duloc. He's taking aim. Now this is the tricky part. He's taking aim, and you're gonna lean forward on that left foot, everybody. He's taking aim, and brace the cookie cutter in Duloc. We're all the same. So in order to not fall over, you have to prep that step by leaning onto that left foot so you can bring your right foot up and flex. And don't forget, your arms are gonna be what keeps you up, okay? All right, so no one from the gutter in Duloc. He's taking aim, embrace the cookie cutter in Duloc. We're all the same. Then you're gonna pretend that you've got a little V in front of you. You're gonna move to those 45s. The up, let me back up a little bit. The up shot is enormous. So you can shout, conform us. So we'll go down on form, okay? So a little different than what we taught yesterday. So with the arms, the up shot is enormous. So you can shout, conform us, down. Okay? And then next is the 2 split rows. So if you're in the back, you're gonna do the wave. Things are looking up. Things are looking up. And you're gonna stay there for a moment. Things are looking up. Here in Duloc, ah. Here in Duloc, ah. Step, step, knees, knees, and arms come over and down. Okay? If you're in the first row, you do the bend down so Farquaad can jump across you. So we just did the up shot is enormous. So you can shout, conform us. Things are looking up. Things are looking up. And then you hold it. Things are looking up. Here in Duloc, ah. And then you join the back row. Bend, bend, knees, knees, and over. That's it. Let's do it.